Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been getting so many messages asking why I've been adding this weird ingredient to my morning coffee. Honestly, I was a bit surprised myself when I first started doing it, but the gelatin trick has genuinely become a game changer for me. It all started when I stumbled upon this idea of using gelatin to support digestion and boost energy levels, and I thought, why not give it a try in my daily cup of joe? As it turns out, the gelatin trick is all about creating a healthier gut environment, which in turn helps your body absorb all the nutrients from your food and drinks. By adding a spoonful of gelatin to my coffee, I've noticed that I can wake up without that sluggish feeling, and I feel more focused throughout the day. It's not just about the coffee, though the gelatin trick is a simple daily ritual that can be incorporated into any routine. If you're curious to learn more about how to make the gelatin trick work for you, check out the link in my description for a detailed rundown, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips from our community. Head to the link now and start experimenting with the gelatin trick today, and let's chat more about it in the comments.